Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to create this awesome morph effect. For this tutorial, we'll be using CapCut on PC. Now, this effect can be used in many ways, but in this video, we're going to use it for two things. First, we'll use it to transform an object in an image using the morph effect. The duration of each image doesn't really matter, but for this example, we'll go with 0.7 seconds per image, using 3 images. Select all of them, right-click, and hit Create Compound Clip. Then, click on the video, scroll down until you find the motion blur option, set it to 100%, and apply it 6 times. Boom! The effect is ready. Now, the second way you can use this morph effect is for transitions. To do this, drag multiple photos into the timeline. I'll also set the duration to 0.7 seconds. Just like before, select them all. Hit Create Compound Clip, scroll down to Motion Blur, crank it up to 100%, and apply it 6 times again. And here's the result. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot.